Welcome back. Switzerland is a mountainous Central European country, home to numerous lakes, villages and the high peaks of the Alps. Its cities contain medieval quarters, with landmarks like capital Bern's Zytglogge clock tower and Lucerne's wooden chapel bridge. The country is also known for its ski resorts and hiking trails. Banking and finance are key industries, and Swiss watches and chocolate are world-renowned. Here's a look at the best places to visit in Switzerland. Before the video, subscribe us and turn on notifications. Number 1. Interlaken. Interlaken used to be known as a watchmaking center, but today it's more popular as a tourist resort. Tourists started coming to Interlaken in the early 1800s to breathe in the mountain air and partake of spa treatments. Its popularity only grew from there. Offerings, spectacular views of three famous Swiss mountains, the Eiger, the Jungfrau and the Monk. The city is also a popular base camp for outdoor activities in the surrounding Bernese overland Alps. Hungry tourists may want to try or recollect a classic Swiss dish made from cheese. Number 2. Geneva. Geneva is a city where international influences reign supreme. It is home to the International Red Cross Committee and the European headquarters of the United Nations, as well as 20 other international organizations. Environmental travelers will enjoy the fact that Geneva is a green city with 20% of its land devoted to parks, earning it the nickname of City of Parks. Top sites include the Cathedral of St. Peter, where John Calvin gave famous sermons, and the United Nations headquarters. Geneva also is a good city to explore. By bike or rest weary feet by taking a boat ride on Lake Geneva. Number 3. Zurich. Switzerland's largest city, Zurich, will appeal to travelers with an interesting culture, since it boasts more than 50 museums in over 100 art galleries. When visitors get tired of shopping for internationally famous Swiss brand name goods, they can take a boat ride on Lake Zurich or go hiking in the nearby mountains. The city also boasts an impressive number of clubs for travelers who enjoy going out at night. Not to be missed is the Swiss National Museum, located in a fairy tale castle. It is dedicated to Switzerland's cultural history. Number 4. Zermatt. Zermatt is a small town that is famous for skiing and mountaineering due to its proximity to the Matterhorn, one of Switzerland's highest mountains. People cars whisk skiers up surrounding mountains in the winter and hikers in the summer. Zermatt is a good town for walking to various sites. Since gasoline-driven vehicles are not permitted, any vehicles within the city limits must be battery-operated. Fortunately for visitors, it takes 30 minutes or less to walk between sites. The town is accessible via the scenic train routes that connected with the outside world. Number 5. Jungfrau region. The Youth-from region is one of the most scenic places to visit in Switzerland, both in summer and winter. A century or two ago, this Alps region was only visited by hardcore adventurers who wanted to ski or climb through the mountains. Now, thanks to an extensive network of railways and well-maintained foot and bike parts, the area is accessible to many types of travelers. The Jungfrau region consists of 4 picturesque towns: Grindel Road, Nurenau de Breenen and Benga, and 3 imposing mountains: Eiger, Mum and Jungfrau. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribed so you will not miss any new videos.